Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hope you people are good. So in the previous video we have studied about insertion of rational numbers between two rational numbers. Okay, that is the alternate method we have studied. Now that to the denominators with 1. Okay, now suppose a type of question I am writing on the board whose denominators are different with a different denominators. Okay, find 15 rational numbers. It may ask you not only 15, 10, 15, 20, 100, 1000, 100, whatever it may be. The method now which we have studied in the previous video or in this video, this method is very much convenient, easy. You can apply this method only, because mean method it will take much time. Lengthy process will be there. With the help of, if you are finding the rational numbers between any rational numbers, it is a lengthy process by mean method. So because of that reason, this alternate method is a convenient one. You can go with this method. So find rational numbers between, in the last problem we have studied between -1 and 3. Okay, -2 and 3. This is one of the question, and 4 and 5. Okay, so these are the numbers you have taken in the previous video. So what you have observed, there is no denominator. It means that generally all the time the denominator is 1. It means we have solved or we have inserted a number of rational numbers between this number whose denominator is 1. Now I am changing the question to, suppose 3/4, 2/5. Okay, what do you have observed here? Here the denominators are different, they are not 1. Okay, and previously the denominators was 1, so it was the denominators were same. Now here whenever we are solving these problems, immediately first step we have to make the denominators as equal. We know very well how to make the denominators equal. Yes, exactly, by the LCM method. LCM stands for least common multiple. Okay, given, what is given? The numbers 3/4 and 2/5. Now you need to find LCM of 4 and 5. We know very well LCM of 4 and 5 is 20, even though I will explain you in the rough column. 4, 5. Okay, so 2 times of 2, 5 won't come, so remain same. 2 times of 1, again 5 same. Then we are going to proceed with 5 ones. Now whatever the numbers are there, we need to multiply here. 2 into 5, which is nothing but 2 2's 4. 4 times of 5 is nothing but 20. Okay, so in this way we need to calculate the LCM. We have found the LCM as 20. Now this 20 we got. Okay, and we have to make here the denominators are equal. So first I will take the numbers here, 3/4 and 2/5. Okay, to them we have to make the denominator as 20. So 4 times of 5, 5 times of 4. Not only in the numerator we need to not only in the denominator we need to multiply in the numerator as well. So here into 5, here into 4. Now 3 times of 5, yes, exactly, it is 15. By 4 times of 5, 20. And 2 times of 4, 8. 5 times of 4, 20. Now we got two different numbers here, 15/20, 8/20. Now he is asking in the question 15 rational numbers. Now exactly you are finding here there is a gap. It means we can insert few rational numbers between those numbers. but not 15 rational numbers. Let's see how many possibilities is there, how many possible rational numbers we can insert between these numbers. So 8, 9 upon 20, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 upon 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 rational numbers can be possible between 15 by 20 and 8 by 20. But in the question, we need to find 15 rational numbers. Okay. So for that, what we have to do? Yes, exactly. We need to follow the previous process. Okay. Only the difference between the previous problem and in this problem is, here first we have to make the denominators are equal. Okay. And in the previous problem, what we have done? Yes, whatever the rational numbers is asking in the question, to that we have added 1. Okay. So Q equals to 15 plus 1, Q equals to 16. Okay. Now here we got Q value as 16. Now the next step we have to do is, yes, exactly, we need to multiply in the numerator and denominator with 16. Okay. I'll continue here. With 16. Multiply in numerator and denominator with 16. So to whom we have to multiply? That numbers will take, that is 15 by 20 and 8 by 20. 8 by 20. Okay, these are the numbers. To them we need to multiply in numerator and denominator with 16. So here into 16 into 16 into 16 into 16. Okay, now what to do the next step? Yes, you need to multiply these 15 into 16, 20 into 16, 8 into 16, 20 into 16. If you are finding a bit complex directly multiplying, in a rough column you can multiply. Let's see. 15 into 16. 6 times of 5, 30. 3 carry. 6 times of 1, 6. 6 plus 3 is nothing but 9. Into 1 times of 5, 5. 1 times of 1, 1. Now 0. 9 plus 5 is nothing but 14, 1. You got the answer as 240. Okay. Simultaneously 20 into 16. Okay. 6 times of 0, 0. 6 times of 2, 12. 1 times of 0, 0. 1 times of 2, it is 2. 0, 2, 3. 320. Next number is what? Yes, 16 into 8. Yes, 8, 6. 8 times of 8. 8. 4 carry. 8 ones, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 128. Okay. Now we have multiplied here. Now we need to substitute those values. 15 into 16, how much it is? Exactly, it is 240 by 320. And here 8 into 16, how much we got? 128. 128 by 320. Okay, ma? Now here number of rational numbers you will get between these numbers, but only we need to calculate 15. Okay. So between this 240 and 128, or let's begin with 128. What is the less number compared to 128? Yes, exactly, it is 127. 127 by 320. 126. 320. 127 by 320. Sorry, 25. 124. 123. So on. You can write these numbers. 240, it is 221 by 320. 222 by 320. 223 by 320. So on. Okay. So on up to 239. 239 by 320. Hopefully this one is very much clear to you people, how to solve these numbers. So I will give one more time, I will explain the concept to you. In the previous problem we have solved the numbers whose denominator was 1, but here we found the denominators are different. Okay, find 15 rational numbers. 1500, how many asking in the question? That many we can, because between two rational numbers there are infinite rational numbers. So 15 rational numbers we have to find between this 3 by 4 and 2 upon 5. First step, okay, here only one step is extra compared to the previous problem. So what's that step? Yes, first we need to make the denominators as same. Okay, because the denominators here are different. In the previous question the denominators was 1 1, it was same. Okay, it was equal. So here we need to make the denominators are same because they are different. So we have taken the LCM. After taking out the LCM we got these numbers. Now we need to follow the same procedure as in the previous problem we have done. That is, whatever the numbers it is given, okay, whatever we got here we need to keep as it is. Then how many numbers he is asking in the question? 15. We need to do 15 plus 1, 16. Yes, in the previous problem also we have done that only. First step is we need to add plus 1 to the number of rational number asking in the question. The second step is we have to multiply. Okay, here also we are doing the same thing. We are adding 1 to the given asking number, how many rational numbers we need to insert. To that we are adding 1. Then after that we are multiplying. This is the one more extra step we are doing here. We are making the denominators are same. This is a very simplest one. You have studied this from the 5th class onwards. You have studied this. Okay, so you people are perfect, I know that. So this is the very easy step, and after that you know how to do. This is the second step, adding the number, and third one is you need to multiply in numerator and denominator by the number which you got after adding. Okay, so here we got 16. Then this 16 you need to add to this number. Okay, don't go for 3 by 4 and 2 by 5. We need to multiply to these numbers, 15 upon 20 and 8 upon 20. Now we found that they are the bit larger numbers. So what we have to do? We have to multiply directly. If it is not possible to you people, then what you have to do? You need to multiply in the rough column. Okay, as I have solved in the rough column, you need to go with this. Okay, so in the rough column we have multiplied the numerator as well as denominator. We have multiplied denominator only one time because denominators are same, 20 into 16. Okay, so we have multiplied only one time denominator. After multiplying that we need to substitute those values, and we got this 240 upon 320, 128 upon 328, and between this we are getting number of rational numbers. Okay, so from this you need to pick up any 15 rational numbers. That's it. Hopefully you have understood this concept very clearly. Now what to do if the denominators are same? Okay, just have a glance. One more type of question is there. Up to we are going to have solve only 2 types of questions. This is the third one. Now suppose the question is 2 by 5, 6 by 5. Now what you have found here? Yes, the denominators are same here. So what to do? Yes, exactly, we need to follow in the first problem we have solved now, that procedure only we have to. As the denominators are equal here no need to go for making the denominators equal by taking out the LCM and all. Immediately you need to go for this procedure. Okay, what is that procedure? Q value you need to. Q value is nothing but, if it is asking 15 rational numbers, 15 plus 1, Q equals to 16. Then after that, when you need to multiply in numerator and denominator with 16. So what is the given number? 2 upon 5 and 6 upon 5. To these numbers we need to multiply in the numerator and denominator with 16. 2 into 16, 5 times of 16, then 16 into 16, 5 times of 16. Now we have done. In the rough column you can multiply if you want, or directly you can. 2 times of 6, 12, 32, 5 times of 6, 30, 3, 5 times of 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you got here 80. 30 upon 80, 32 upon 80, and 6 times of 6, 36, 6. 6 times of 6, 36, 6, 3 carry. Then 6 times of 1, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. It is 96. 96 upon, already we have calculated the denominator here, which we got it as 80. Okay. So 32 upon 80 and 96 upon 80. Between these number, definitely you will get more than 15 rational numbers. Hopefully it is very much clear to you people. So I will just write the type of questions which we have studied today and in the previous video. First question was inserting a rational numbers between, suppose, 3 and 5, and second type of question was minus 2 and 4. Okay, and third one is with different denominators. Suppose 2 by 5, 1 by 7, 6 by 7, or 6 upon 7, then 8 upon 7. Okay, these are the different types of question to which we have learned how to insert a rational number between them. Okay, for this and this, the procedure was same. That is, first we need to find out the value of Q. Okay, for these two types of problems, for this as well as this also, this problem also, 1, 2, 3. These are the similar type of questions. Here we are having the denominators as 1 to this. It means they are, the denominators were equal. The denominators are equal for this, that is 1. So these two problems, this one, 3 problems have the same method. That is, first we need to follow how many number of rational numbers asking in the question. To that we need to add 1. After that we need to multiply in the numerator and denominator. Then we will get this numbers. Between them whatever the number is coming, that we need to write. Okay, that is your answer. Then this one, for this only one more extra step is there. That is, first we have to make the denominators are same by taking out the LCM. After making the denominators equal, we need to follow the same procedure. It is very much easy compared to the mean method. Hopefully you have understood. Still, if you are having any doubts, you can write under the comment section. Inshallah, I will clarify your doubt. We'll meet in the next video with new concept. Jazakallahu khair. Thank you.